Hey everyone! Today, I want to dive into a fascinating concept that could be a game changer in the face of rising global temperatures and extreme heat waves. It's all about harnessing the power of rainwater harvesting and how it might just be the secret weapon we need to combat the heat. So, grab your seats and let's explore this innovative idea together. First things first, let's talk about the issue at hand. As we all know, Europe had a scorching summer, and the trend of extreme heat is only expected to intensify. The International Energy Agency estimates that space cooling, primarily through air conditioning, consumed a staggering 2,100 terawatt-hours of power in 2022, which is a massive 7% of the world's electricity. That's a lot of energy being used, and it's not without its consequences. Air conditioning units are not only expensive to run but also contribute to higher emissions and strain on our energy grids. Moreover, the refrigerants used in these units are powerful greenhouse gases, trapping thousands of times more heat in the atmosphere than CO2. Now, here's where rainwater harvesting comes into play. A study from the University of Manchester in the UK has proposed a clever system where rainwater harvested from rooftops is stored and automatically sprayed onto buildings during hot weather. The brilliance of this idea lies in the fact that cooler roofs transfer less heat into buildings, reducing the demand for air conditioning and, consequently, energy consumption. By cutting down on air conditioning, we also reduce the heat waste released into the city, which can help lower urban temperatures and decrease the number of heatwave days. The study, published in the journal Earth's Future, used Tokyo as a case study. Interestingly, it found that the timing of when the sprinklers are activated is more crucial than the size of the tank or the amount of water applied. This means that we don't necessarily need massive tanks to make a difference. In fact, very large tanks only provide modest additional reductions in energy use and extreme heat. The key is to time the cooling process strategically. One of the co-benefits of this approach is the reduction of extreme urban runoff. Junjie Yu, a PhD researcher at the University of Manchester, highlights that rainwater tanks can serve as a natural solution to natural challenges. By using rainwater as a resource, we can mitigate both thermal stress and hydrological extremes. But why is this approach so significant? Well, it's because air conditioning isn't the best way to tackle extreme heat. As Dr. Zhonghua Zhang, the lead author of the study, points out, air conditioning consumes large amounts of energy and releases additional heat into the urban environment. By harvesting rainwater and using it strategically, we can reduce both energy demand and urban temperatures, making it a more sustainable and environmentally friendly solution. Furthermore, this method becomes even more crucial as the climate continues to warm. Dr. Zhang emphasizes that the benefits of rainwater harvesting become even greater during hotter years, suggesting that this approach could become increasingly important in the future. It's a forward-thinking solution that could help local authorities and urban planners make informed decisions about implementing rainwater-based cooling systems in their regions. In conclusion, rainwater harvesting from rooftops is a fascinating and practical approach to tackling extreme heat. It offers a natural solution that can reduce energy demand, lower urban temperatures, and provide a more sustainable way to combat heat waves. As we face the challenges of a warming planet, it's ideas like these that give me hope for a greener and more resilient future. So, what do you think? Is this a strategy worth exploring further? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.